Heaven at Kerr Lake 4-bedroom/3.5 bath home offers open floor plan, allows you to enjoy the fantastic Kerr Lake views from almost every room. Hickory hardwood in main areas and the kitchen, updated quartz counters and recent appliances, is open to dining and work areas. The covered porch runs the length of the home lakeside and includes a screen room perfect for al fresco dining. The great room is 2 stories high with gas fireplace. First-level Lakeside Master Suite includes a jetted tub, west separate H2O heater, and walk-in shower/HUGE bonus room over the garage plus 2 guest rooms and bath on the second level. Basement rag room with wet bar. Blended finished space in workshop space in the basement. Outdoor shower and an easy slope to your dock with root wrap in place, 12 feet of water typically at the dock. Appreciate having a great entertaining room on each of the 3 levels plus all of the outdoor space. When you have a crowd over, there is somewhere for everyone to hang out. Minutes to the main channel of Kerr Lake, and saving the best for last. Sunsets.